Okay, here's the second review video. This is on trinomials. So when the last term is plus, you are adding the factors. If the first term is 1x squared, it makes the problem so much easier. 1x squared is x and x. Last term's plus, so both sides are the same as the middle. And what do you multiply to get 6? But when you add it, you get 7. How about 6 and 1? 6 only has 2 sets of factors. 6, 1, 3, 2. So here, x squared is x and x. Last term's plus, so both sides are the same as the middle. What do you multiply to get 12? But when you add, you get 8, and that would be 6 and 2. X squared would be 1x, 1x. Last term's plus, so both sides are the same as the middle. And what do you multiply to get 25? But when you add, you get 10. And that would be 5 and 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 plus 5 is 10. But wait a minute, when you have the exact same factors twice, you write it as a square. Okay, what if the last term is negative? Well, you don't add, you subtract. Still, x squared is still x and x. So minus would be plus minus if the last term is minus. And what do you multiply to get 12? But you subtract to get 1. And I do believe that's 4 and 3. But the largest one goes with this. So 4 is bigger than 3, so it would go here. The 3 would go there. So again, 1x squared, oh my goodness, that makes it so much easier. Last term's minus, so it's plus minus. What do you multiply to get 50? But you subtract to get 5, and that'd be 5 and 10, and the largest one goes with this sign. 10 is bigger. So this one, again, 1x squared, you'd go x and x. Last term's minus, so it's plus minus. What do you multiply to get 24? But you subtract to get 5, so it'd be 24, 1. Oops. 12, 2. 8, 3. 6, 4. And 8 minus 3 is 5. The largest one goes with this sign. So 8 and 3. Now, when this is not 1 anymore, it makes the problem a higher degree, more challenging. So x squared is still x, and x is just we're going to have a number in front of it. Last term plus, so both sides are the same as this. 2 would be 2, 1. 10 is 10, 1, 5, 2. Do you see a combination when we get 9? Well, that'd be 2 and 2, 5 and 1. So 2 and 1 is part of my first term. I want the 2 to go with the 2. The way you FOIL is outer and inner, so 2 here, 5 here. So again, x squared is x and x. Last term's plus, so both are the same as the middle. Now 1 can only be one thing, 1 and 1. So what are the factors of 6 that add up to 5? I do believe it's 3 and 2. See if you can figure this one out. And then when you think you're done, turn it back on. Okay, so x squared is x and x. Last term's plus, so both sides are the same as the middle. 6 is 6, 1, 3, 2. 10 is 10, 1, 5, 2. Now I'm looking for 19. How about 3, 5, 2, 2? 15 plus 4 is 19. 3 and 2 are part of your first term. I want the 5 with the 3, so it's outer and inner. Did you get that? Okay, this is another level of difficultness. So x squared is still x and x. Last term's minus, so it's plus minus. Now again, 1 is 1 and 1. Has to be. 20 is 21. 10 to 5, 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 minus 4 is 1. Largest goes with the middle sign. So that would be here. So it's plus 4x minus 5x. Okay, we're getting more difficult all the time. So 15 and 6, we have 15, 1, 5, 3. 6 is 6, 1, 3, 2. Now x squared is x, x. Last term's minus, so plus minus. Now, I need 1. How about 3, 3, 5, 2. 5 and 2 is the biggest, because it's 10. This is 3 and 3 is 9. I do believe that is the answer. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 and 3 is 15. See if you can figure this one out by yourself and then turn me back on. So 30 is 31, 10, 3, 5, 6. My 3 is 3, 1. X squared is x and x. So I need a 1. How about 3, 3 is 9, 10, 1 is 10. So 30, the first terms are 10 and 3. I want 1 with the 10. Outer. Inner, the way I've written it, is here. Largest combination has to go with this sign, which is 10 and 1. Is that what you got? Bye-bye.